Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to use the conjunctions if and unless. These subordinate conjunctions if and unless, how to use. Practice on if and unless. So answers you give in the comment box. Later on answers will be provided to you. Complete the following sentences using if or unless. Very easy exercise. Dash, you don't help me, I will be in real trouble. If or unless. Which one is correct? Dash, you invite her, she won't come. If or unless. Dash, there is an emergency, don't disturb me. If or unless. Dash, you don't start now, you won't reach there in time. Same, if or unless. Dash, you don't work hard, you won't win. If or unless. Dash, I had known, I would have told you. Okay, if or unless. I will phone you, dash, I have time. It would be nice, dash, you helped me a bit with the housework. Dash, you stop eating fatty foods, you won't lose weight. Dash, she pays up, we are going to be in real trouble. Which one suits the best here, if or unless? You give the answers in the comment box. Later on I will give you the answers and cross check how best you are, how good you are at grammar. You can cross check. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. See you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.